हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू जालपा लर्निंग पॉइंट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कंप्यूटर के बेस्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस का पार्ट 2। व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर? ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन। A dash is an electronic device that process data and convert it into information. Option A is correct, computer. Dash is processed in information by computer processor. Option D is correct, data. What is ATM? Option C is correct, withdrawal of cash without staff. Meaning of data processing is, option D is correct, preparing information for business use. Part of CPU which coordinate all functions of computer and other components. Option C is correct, control unit. Data going to computer is called input. Option C is correct. Input is modified into output by CPU. Option E is correct. Which of these is not a characteristics or a function of computer? Data copy. Option E is correct. Which is called data in computer? Option D is correct. Information containing number and symbol. Data in computer, information containing number and system. Information in computer is called stored data. Option D is correct. Which is part of CPU? Option D is correct, arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Full form of EDP. Option C is correct, electronic data process. Dash is the process of carrying out commands. Option D is correct, executing. Executing is the process of carrying out commands. Full form of ALU. Option A is correct, arithmetic logic unit. Which of these is CPU? Chip. Option A is correct. Basic operation done by computer is arithmetic operation, logical operation, data storage, all of these, none of these. Option D is correct, all of these. Dash is called brain of computer, CPU. Option A is correct, CPU is called brain of computer. Which of these is established link between VDU and keyboard? Printer, mouse, CPU, terminal, none of these. Option C is correct, CPU. Which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing? Option A is correct, ALU. Function of CPU is arithmetic calculation, comparison between the value of two objects, search of desired data in artificial memory. A and B both. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ई करेक्ट होगा जो कि नन ऑफ दीज है। ऑप्शन ई करेक्ट होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे अर्थमेटिक कैलकुलेशन, कंपैरिजन बिटवीन द वैल्यू ऑफ टू ऑब्जेक्ट्स, सर्च ऑफ डिजायर डाटा इन आर्टिफिशियल मेमोरी, ये सीपीयू का फंक्शन नहीं है। विच यूनिट कंट्रोल्स द मूवमेंट ऑफ सिग्नल्स बिटवीन सीपीयू एंड I/O? ALU, control unit, memory unit, secondary storage, none of these. Option D is correct, control unit. Computer is named as artificial intelligence. Option C is correct. The three main parts of processor are ALU, control unit, and register. Option A is correct. What is the function of CPU of a computer? Creates invoicing, performs calculation and processing, delete data, corrupts all the file, none of these. Option B is correct, performs calculation and processing. Capacity of computer is limited. Option A is correct. Controlling part of computer is printer, keyboard, CPU, hard disk. Option E is करेक्ट नन ऑफ दीज. इसमें से कोई भी कंट्रोलिंग पार्ट नहीं है कंप्यूटर का. कंप्यूटर अ डिवाइस विच इज एबल टू स्टोर डाटा, a device which is able to analyze data, a device which is able to maintain full security, sometimes attacked by virus. D is correct option. इसमें सभी करेक्ट है. The basic computer processing cycle consists of input, processing and output, system and application, data information and application, hardware, software and storage, none of these. Option A is correct, input, processing and output. Compare is option B is correct, logical function of ALU. Theory for working of computer is option C is correct, process. Main components of CPU is option D is correct, all of these. Control unit, memory, ALU. Processed data of computer is called input, output, process or option B is correct, output. Function of CPU is option D is correct, all of these. Control input and output device, immediate storage of data, read the instructions and give command. What is output? Option C is correct, which is get to user from processor. Part of a computer which does addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and comparison. Option A is correct, ALU. General mathematical operation performs for CPU is option A is correct, ALU. The basic goal of a computer process is convert data into information. Option C is correct. The information you put into the computer is called data. Option B is correct. Arithmetic operation. Option D is correct, include addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Processing involve option B is correct, transforming input into output. Input, output and processing device grouped together represent computer system. Option D is correct. The name of the location of a particular piece of a data is its address. Option A is correct. Dash is the part of the computer that does the arithmetical calculation. Option D is correct, ALU. A CPU contains option C is correct, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. The benefit of using a computer is that option A is correct. Computers are very fast and can store huge amount of data. Computation and logical operation are performed by the ALU. Option B is correct. The function of CPU is, option C is correct, to read, interpret and process the information and instructions. Numeric data is employee address. Option A is correct. Dash is data that has been organized or presented in a meaningful fashion. Option D is correct, information. फ्रेंड्स पार्ट 1 के 34th क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है ऑप्शन सी. बाय मिस्टेक गलती से बी हो गया है. करेक्ट आंसर इज डोमेन नेम सिस्टम. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग अवर वीडियो.